हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल जेबीआई जिम कोलकाता। हम लोगों ने फिर आपके लिए एक जबरदस्त पॉडकास्ट लाए हैं जिसमें आपको अगेन हम लोगों ने हॉस्पिटैलिटी के इनसाइड स्टोरी प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। इस बार हम लोग फिर से आ गए हैं एक आइकॉनिक होटल ऑफ कोलकाता विच इज नोन एज पोलो फ्लोटेल। यूनिकनेस इस होटल की ये है कि ये साउथ एशिया की ओनली फ्लोटिंग होटल है। होपफुली आप ये पॉडकास्ट एंजॉय करेंगे। पहली बार जनरल मैनेजर पोस्ट का कोई हम लोग के पास आ रहा है। आई प्राउडली वेलकम गेस्ट मैनेजर सोमेन हालदार टू हैविंग यू हियर। हम लोग के चैनल में आने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू
सर, आज का जो डिस्कशन है एक्चुअली हम लोग ये जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि सर ये फ्लोटेल की स्थापना कब हुई, कैसे यूनिकनेस। ये हम सभी को जानते हैं कि फ्लोटेल एक फ्लोटिंग होटल है, बट इसकी हिस्ट्री पहले अभी वेबसाइट में दिखा रहा है कि न्यू मैनेजमेंट। इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा।
Polo Flotel is it's a hotel which is the Asia's first floating hotel, as everyone knows this.
राइट।
इनके काफी सारी यूनिकनेस है. So this is one of the uniqueness that it is floating. It is on the river Ganges. We have 58 cabins, 12 banquets, and 3 restaurants. So it's all it's very popular. अगर आप हिस्ट्री देखो तो दिस होटल मेड एट सिंगापुर से इसको टो करके लाया गया. एंड देन द लास्ट 2 years, probably 3 years, this is 3 years running, the Polo group ने इनको एक्वायर किया. So it is, we have as a group, we have 9 hotels. So this is one of them.
होटल्स का ऐसे रेटिंग तो 4 स्टार है, बट फैसिलिटी वाइज सबसे ज्यादा है पोलो फ्लोटेल इज नोन फॉर इट्स 5 स्टार फैसिलिटी एंड 4 स्टार प्राइस। सो सर, इसकी कुछ फैसिलिटीज, कुछ यूनिकनेस हाईलाइट करना चाहेंगे?
See, unique. It's Polo Flotel. Its name is unique. It's only a river में जो hotel है, that's Polo Flotel. ये itself unique, and every activity is unique. If you see a guest experience, हमारा नौका ride, हमारा food, if you see everywhere हमारा cabins जो है, all riverview cabins. So हर एक जगह में uniqueness है. Now it is up to you which one you wanted to spend and stay with us, like in that way. So अगर हमारा food आप देखो, we do very good food festival, जैसा भी पहला वर्षा गया, and then again one after one we do very good, like very unique
प्रोफाइल में काफी एक्टिव है ये चीज़,
very
मैं
very
देखता हूँ।
unique. That's actually market demand, and Polo Flotel के पास है इतना कुछ. So that's like हमें भाई force करना ही पड़ता है.
गेस्ट आते हैं वो बिजनेस क्लास गेस्ट होते हैं कि जो प्राइवेट अपना मोमेंट्स?
Maximum business भी है, private भी है. Business as because it's a hub of the city, so the convenient, if you see, it's very well placed. हमारे पास unlimited parking है. So day session is all full with corporate client, and शाम को it's all private.
ओके सर, आप यहाँ के एज ए जनरल मैनेजर कब से इस प्रॉपर्टी को लाइन
This is my third successful year, and
थर्ड
yes.
जाइट फ्रॉम द मैनेजमेंट चेंज से आप?
It is. हाँ, मैंने I joined, then we took this hotel in a renovation. हमने 6 महीना इनको renovate किया. Then again हम नया से we launched this hotel.
तो मतलब फ्लोटेल का रीबर्थ से आप इसको देख रहे हैं?
Yes.
सर, तो आपका तो काफी यूनिक मूवमेंट से जुड़ा हुआ है। यूनिक मूवमेंट से जाने से पहले मैं जानना चाहूँ कि एज ए जनरल मैनेजर आपका दिन की शुरुआत कैसी होती है?
Very good question. See, every day is a new day for me. So, yes, the first morning starts with a meeting,
Okay.
HOD meeting, then guest meeting रहता है. We do have a lot of calls.
Meeting, you interact with
I
guests also.
interact, yes,
With
I
guests also.
interact, yes. कुछ calls रहते हैं. Corporate office का कुछ meetings रहते हैं. So, the whole is very entertaining, like, different guest moment, staff interaction, वो कुछ ना कुछ चलते रहता है.
यहाँ पे
You
कितने
hardly know that कब शाम हो गया, कब रात हो गया. So
इज अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस.
it is.
सर यहाँ पे टोटल आपके ऑपरेशंस डिपार्टमेंट को लेके कितने सारे स्टाफ आपके
100
अंदर?
plus.
100 प्लस इंक्लूडिंग सिक्योरिटी एंड अलाइड्स आल्सो. ओके. अभी आपका जर्नी कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ इस हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में?
So it's long way, like it was maybe 20 years back.
20 years back.
Yes, I started with Sonnet Hotel, which is in Jamshedpur. Then
Okay.
different state. I worked with Kerala. I worked with Taj Blue Diamond. I worked with Taj Banarasi. I worked with Novotel. I worked with
आपका बर्थ प्लेस कौन सा है?
Jamshedpur.
जमशेदपुर. So you started from hometown.
Yes, started from hometown.
Right.
Then I worked with Delhi, then Kerala, then Pune, then Lonavala, then Bombay. So that's how.
तो यहाँ पे आप सर आपका कोर डिपार्टमेंट
My core department तो अभी कुछ है नहीं है. Like every department is core for me.
जब
But
से आपने करियर स्टार्ट किया तो
I'm a F&B service, like F&B service में ही था. But then I took over a operation head. So
ओके.
I used to handle इसके पहले जो assignment थे इस होटल से, I used to handle the entire hotel. So as an operation head. So then core धीरे धीरे all departments become a core department.
That's right. As general manager. तो सर आप ये इंडस्ट्री को क्लोजली 20 years से देख रहे हैं. What are the major changes you found happened during this 20 years?
Yeah, it is rapidly growing, this industry. It's an evergreen industry. Now the experience has changed. The guest movement has changed. And I believe, see, pehle, we used to say the luxury. Luxury means how big, how expensive thing. Now luxury's definition is totally changed. Now it is how intimate, how you know your guest. You should know your guest taste, how well maintained you keeps your data about guests. So these are became, and we Polo Flotel is strictly follow all those point to point things. So
Guest का data
yes,
is
that's
up
more
to date.
important. What is guest taste, how he likes, how it is like. So that's all. The last a week back, a guest came from US.
Okay.
He came with his friend. His friend's hometown is Calcutta. So he wanted to have a luxury experience, like what Kolkata is all about. So he wanted to have fresh fish. So what we did हमारा जो in-house Majis है, he went off, like we got fresh fish from river Ganges. A chef prepared front of it, and we serve him.
So that is a unique experience.
Yes, that's a
hotel
unique
can give.
experience which we have. If you see our Noka ride, Noka is a very traditional heritage thing,
Yeah.
and we make it in a luxury in the way that Majis are wearing kurta. We are giving a very desi food in a Videsi style, and that's all about luxury. That's all about heritage into a luxury section.
मैं जब भी आपके होटल में आता हूँ जो पहले का जो बोट राइड होता था ना जमींदार सिस्टम में
yes.
one can feel like the जमींदार in wings.
Absolutely.
तो आपसे ये डेली जमींदार वाला फील आपको तो जरूर आता होगा डेली.
हाँ, मैंने मेरा see now once you come walk, so my main priority how guest is looking at things. So that's all about.
सर आपका इसमें मुझे तो आपका अभी तक का 20 years आपने देखा इंडस्ट्री में. तो नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट आप क्या सोच रहे हैं आप टेक
See, we are growing, like we have a lot of hotel in our group.
Okay.
तो हम लोग काफी सारा होटल अभी इन्वर्ज में है. हमारा target is huge, so we have just started.
Okay.
So now it's 9, probably आपको कुछ दिन बाद पता चलेगा it has become a 20 and then 30. So our owners are very actively working to grow about our group. So हम सब हर एक general manager is working their own part. Owners is working on their own part. So this group will go high and high. Like
So some properties come in Kolkata
yeah,
also?
absolutely. We are looking for. Let's see.
सर आपका ऐसे आपको बंगाली कल्चर से बिलोंग करें, बस ये 20 years आप जगह जगह काम किए, आपका पर्सनल चॉइस क्या है फूड और इस मामले में? क्या पसंद खाना पसंद करते हो? जनरल अगर आप चॉइस दिया जाए तो?
See, अगर general choice for me is सादा खाना, which is घर का खाना. That's I
ये
really love to have.
apart from any cuisine you particular
Any
choice?
cuisine, yes, of course. I love biryani. I love some Mexican also. I love. Yeah.
And when you are not working, I think general manager works 7 into 24 hours on the. कभी आप इसके अलावा भी जगह आपको समय मिलता है तो आप क्या करना पसंद करते हैं?
Books.
Books. So reading books is one of the.
Yes, yes. I
So
love.
what kind of books you follow?
Any books you give me, I'm okay with that.
The personal choice, personal favorite
I do
writer.
not have any as such. I do read a lot of books and are different authors.
Okay.
So that's how.
तो सर आपने हॉस्पिटैलिटी एज अ करियर कैसे चॉइस किया? मतलब क्यों लगा कि इसमें आना चाहिए मुझे?
See, if you see, hospitality has a very unique feature. You know, it's an industry which is all every time it is a colorful area. And हमेशा मुझे evergreen industry में से see every industry has its own point.
Right.
But in hospitality, you will see a lot of enjoyment. Variety, different guests, different tastes, different. So overall, it is a very compact thing.
Okay.
So that is why I like most.
तो सर आप जनरल इतने करियर में बहुत कोई बाहर जाना चाहते हैं, आपको कभी फील नहीं आउट ऑफ इंडिया जाके काम करना?
नहीं, honestly कभी नहीं.
ऐसा क्यों सर?
नहीं हुआ because कंट्री में ही इतना सारा होटल है.
फैसिलिटी
There's a lot of thing to learn. So अभी तक तो that's all. And I hope इंडिया के बाहर the line is same. So
ओके. तो अगर आप बाई चांस इस प्रोफेशन में नहीं आते, व्हाट वुड द सेकंड ऑप्शन यू हैव चोज?
I have not thought of. So maybe 20 जब से मैं I did graduation along with hotel management and then tourism management. So I did three together.
ओके.
So maybe
सर
tourism.
थोड़ा सा एजुकेशनल आपने क्या किया?
Educational as in I did commerce graduation
ओके.
along with the hotel management
ओके.
and tourism management. So
Okay.
I did three together.
तो
So अगर hospitality में नहीं आता तो शायद tourism में चले
मुझे
जाता.
अच्छा लगा था, बट इट हैज टू बी हॉस्पिटैलिटी टू.
Right. It is a link.
सर ये कोई आप लोग के फादर या आपके
नहीं,
सीनियर
not really.
जो
मुझे अच्छा लगता था. I love different culture. I love different food. So this is how.
तो अभी जमशेदपुर की याद आती है?
हाँ, अब मैं चाहता भी हूँ.
तो आपका घर है अभी
हमारा घर.
जमशेदपुर भी काफी आइकॉनिक टाउन है इंडिया का.
ये absolutely.
तो कैसा लगा आपको वहाँ पे बड़ा होने में? कुछ यूनिक यादें जो वहाँ के बचपन का?
See, that's I spent my entire childhood. My parents still stays there. So
ओके.
मेरा school, my friends, my childhood friend, my hotel management friend. So all are there. So
तो आपने अपना होटल मैनेजमेंट भी जमशेदपुर से किया?
yes.
ओके. ओके. सर यहाँ पे जो इतना साल का एक्सपीरियंस रहा, आप कोई यूनिक वन और टू ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट्स व्हिच यू शेयर्ड इन एक्सपीरियंस यू गेन्ड इन दिस इंडस्ट्री आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
Experience as in
या मोमेंट जो
good friends I got. I've learned many things from different stalwart. So that's how.
मतलब कोई पर्टिकुलर एक दो जो 20 years अगर मैं आपको प्लेबैक में ले जाऊं तो झट से दो.
देखिए ये it is very difficult today the position which I'm carrying. It is all about my experience.
राइट.
So every step कुछ ना कुछ from someone I have learned marketing, someone I learned PR, from someone this is all sales. So these are all big chapters. So कहीं नहीं किसी से कुछ ना कुछ तो.
लॉट ऑफ मेमोरीज.
Absolutely.
तो मैं चैलेंजेस में आता हूँ.
Please.
तो सबसे डिफिकल्ट चैलेंजेस व्हिच यू फेस एज अ जनरल मैनेजर?
देखिए डिफिकल्ट तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगा कि इट्स समथिंग व्हिच इज very difficult. But the world is revolving in a very different way. So we don't know tomorrow, like this AI thing is how it's going to incorporate in our industry. So there's a lot of event happening. मैंने भी काफी सारा में I got invitation, I have attended that.
Right.
So we don't know what is going to happen, but
Okay.
till now that's all going smooth.
तो एआई का लगता है आपको इंडस्ट्री में
I don't know,
impact
like we all are waiting for to get clear कैसे इंडस्ट्री में
व्हाट वर लाइक आपने डिफरेंट सेशंस जो अटेंड किया व्हाट वाज द बज
see,
लाइक
there's no direct connection with hospitality, right?
Right.
Not with the hotel. But मेरे ख्याल से जिस हिसाब से AI is moving forward, so hotel industries again cannot go away.
No,
So
right.
कुछ ना कुछ होगा, and we will
बट
eagerly accept whatever is.
बट बीइंग अ सर्विस इंडस्ट्री आपको नहीं लगता कि उतना ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट
Now see, in our industry, mechanism and human touch, how well you can balance,
राइट
then only you can grow. You know, in our we as a hotel, we initiate all those modernized things, but along with that, I always see that our human touch should be there, so that we can balance both the things.
टेक्नोलॉजी
And
का भी एक
technology,
इम्पैक्ट
yes,
है
yes,
बिकॉज यू
yes.
शेयर दैट आप गेस्ट का डाटा रखते
Right,
हैं
right, right.
और वहीं पे एआई अगर आपको हेल्प करे
Right, right.
आइडेंटिफाई द
So
थिंग्स
let's अभी तक तो I don't
Let's see.
think we required, but yes,
Okay.
if something comes around, then
Hmm.
we will definitely think of.
So, as a general manager, what was generally the working hours you spend in the hotel? What is the day, week like?
Same like everyone, 9 hours.
9 hours?
And see, timing is not a matter. Like, we do not have we don't see really work, but हाँ
Hmm.
सब आता है. So we do start with the meeting, and then once it's over in the evening.
Okay. Sir,
So those days are gone. जब भी hotel industry में, you will spend a whole lot of time. So now I don't think it's required. It is very systematic, and the generation is accepting things very nicely. So
and the leader, if he has good team members to take care of
yeah,
the
absolutely. See, good, bad, nahi, how you lead with your team. That's important.
Okay. So, you picked you chose your immediate team leaders, or
No,
what's the
we
process?
have process, like we have corporate team, we have corporate HR, we have
Someone willing to
yeah.
join Polo Flotel or Flotel Group. What was the process like?
They have to go through our HR policy. We have the HR will call, like he has to apply for this position. If it is free, then HR will call, and then step by step the interview will happen.
So, if while taking the interview, what are the things आप क्या qualities देखते हैं एक future employee में जो आप लेना
See,
पसंद
again, it's subjective. There's this quality is आपके लिए कुछ और होगा, मेरे लिए कुछ और होगा. So we don't talk about quality. We to see कौन position में क्या है, and then this knowledge
if
is
someone is
important.
joining the industry then
Freshers, so just a grooming and patience. That's it. We can groom. We have a very set system. We have
okay
HR. We have training team, training and development team. We have a schedule for online training, offline training. Every week it has to be monitored. So that's a very set procedure for.
sir in a general manager position you are from F&B background likewise anybody can go for general manager position
Yeah, of course.
so
Why
what
not?
are the qualities he should develop in his work so that he can hold that grand
See,
position
quality is I don't know like what quality is required, but yes, a person has to be very patient,
okay
hardworking, little hardworking and patient, and he has to follow the ethics and discipline. That's it.
ethics and discipline if you follow these four pillars
It
I
is.
think who said that you will be able to go rise in the ranks.
Right.
Sir, in this 20 years, you have seen lot many people grow. Okay, so I will just want in your experience plus your others colleagues' experience. I want a message. What you want to give to the new generation who are starting to study this hotel management? What should they, apart from the curriculum, what are the soft skills they should develop to be a good hospitality professional?
See, well, this industry is a very challenging and exciting industry. It's always, there's a lot of evergreen things day to day happen. Only a small message like person has to be patient, hardworking. That's it. Everything will fall
Fall into place.
into place.
Patient and hardworking is
Very
the
important.
only mantra for
Yes,
success.
yes.
Because apart from that, curriculum remains the same more or less.
Very true. That's nothing.
So, what do you see the general question prospect of hospitality industry in India?
It's very nice. India is going like anything. It's require many rooms are coming up. Every brand is moving.
The scenario has changed after COVID, but how fast it is growing?
It is growing rapidly. It's 10x. If you see,
10x.
yes.
Means
After COVID, like the industry is
industry has
growing
not
like anything.
bounced.
Yeah, absolutely. Look at the other brand, how that's going. Everyone is growing very well. We as a Polo group, we also signed up to more hotel. One more hotel is coming on Goa. So we are also, there's a lot of properties are in our kitty. So
With the advent of AI also, hospitality is going to give a large scale employment.
yeah, absolutely.
ये पॉडकास्ट देखने के लिए आप लोगों का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। होपफुली ये पॉडकास्ट आप लोगों को वो इंसाइट हॉस्पिटैलिटी के बारे में वो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स बताएगा जो आप जानना चाहते हैं। अगर आप हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो काइंडली हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। यहाँ पे हम लोग हर एक बार कुछ यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस, कुछ यूनिक हॉस्पिटैलिटी की पर्सनैलिटीज को हम लोग लाएंगे, जहां आप ये जान सकते हैं कि हाउ एक हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री चलती है। यहाँ पे आप अपना करियर कैसे ग्रो कर सकते हैं। JBHM कोलकाता एक लीडिंग हॉस्पिटैलिटी मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट है कोलकाता की। होप JBHM कोलकाता को आप सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, सब्सक्राइब करके और अपना कुछ नया सजेशन देंगे इस चैनल को बेहतर बनाने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच।